Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to your English class. Today we are going to start our part 3 with the difficult, we have written the difficult words. No, we are going to do the words meaning and I'm going to give you your words for the sentences. And so let's start out our work. Acha, before we start with our work, I would like to say that I am not receiving copies having test over there. I have given you 3 tests. Okay, in the test number 1 it was from unit number 6, second test was from unit 7, and the third test was having only and only the difficult words meaning, which was based on all the words meaning from your unit 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. मतलब उसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके पास वर्ड्स मीनिंग थे, मगर चेकिंग जो है वो बहुत कम आई है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई यू पीपल आर ट्राइंग टू स्केप फ्रॉम द टेस्ट, जबकि ये आप ही की मतलब लर्निंग को थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंगे. ऑब्वियसली वी आर गोइंग टू नो कि भाई आप लोग सिर्फ रिटन वर्क ही कर रहे हो या नहीं, आप लोग मतलब टेस्ट भी परफॉर्म कर रहे हो. तो नंबर ऑफ कॉपीज जो रिसीव हो रही हैं ना, उनमें मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स have not attempt the test, neither the first nor the second. और जब फर्स्ट सेकेंड नहीं किया तो तीसरे का तो सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता. तो आई होप कि इन फ्यूचर यू आर गोइंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट विद the test also and your learning also. So let's start our words meaning for our last unit of our syllabus and also our course book. So let's see what do I have the words for you. You are going to make columns and the first word is going to be over there as preoccupied. Okay, now the meaning of preoccupied is dominate the mind of someone to the exclusion of other thoughts. Okay, now second word is obsessed. The meaning is fill the mind of someone continually to a troubling extent. Third word is evidence, and the meaning is the available body of facts indicating whether a belief is true or not. And the fourth word is hostile, meaning unfriendly. Switching to the fifth word, foster, meaning to take care of a child, usually for a limited time. Sixth word is interactive, meaning having an effect on each other. And the seventh word is solitary, meaning lonely, comma, friendless. Acha, you have to write down both the meanings, and of course you are going to learn both the meanings. Okay, proceeding to the next one, enhancing, increase or improve the quality or value. The ninth word is aspect, ASPECT, a particular part or feature of something. And the last word is consideration, meaning careful thought, comma, typically over a period of time, full stop. With this, words meaning are completed. Now I'm going to give you the words for the sentences. Let us write down the words for the sentences. And the first word is physical. Second, abilities. Third is preoccupied. Fourth is evidence. Then comes beneficial. We have got hostile as the sixth word, foster the seventh word, and solitary being the eighth and the last word. So this is your homework, and one thing more, I have found that students leave the page blank. They do write down the words, but they do not make sentences. This is also not good. ठीक है, आपको अपने सेंटेंसेस बनाने चाहिए. आप उस ब्लैंक को बिल्कुल, पेज को बिल्कुल साइड को छोड़ना दे. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. मतलब व्हेन आई मूव फॉरवर्ड, हाँ आगे का काम तो आपका हुआ हुआ होता है, मगर सेंटेंसेस आप लोग छोड़ देते हैं. जिस तरह बच्चों ने टेस्ट स्किप किया है ना, अक्सर बच्चों ने टेस्ट स्किप किए, तो इस तरह आप लोग अपने सेंटेंसेस भी बनाया करें. और दिस इज अ सॉर्ट ऑफ चीटिंग दैट यू पीपल डू. नाउ लेट अस टेक आउट आवर कोर्स बुक एंड मार्क द क्वेश्चंस फॉर द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. Coming on page number 151 for the marking of the questions. So here question number 1 is, beside video games, what are the other activities mentioned? Okay. Now question number 2 will be written. We are not going to write down the question which is in the book, but we are going to write down the one that I am dictating. And the question is, what are the effects of video games? Question mark. Give 2 examples. Full stop. The third one is going to be cancelled. Okay, we are not going to attempt this, but we are coming on the fourth one. Put 3 as the number over here. Okay, and see the question. What are the benefits of being physically active? Question mark. Put a little cross over here at the first one on page number 152. Coming to the next, we will put fourth. Okay, that it is going to be fourth in your copy, and the question is, what benefits of video games are mentioned? And the last is going to become the fifth in our copy. What other things should you do apart from playing video games? Okay, so these are the 5 questions which we are going to do under the heading of the question answers, and of course we are going to do the copy work of the question answers in our next part. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.